Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tools and apps you need to manage your life? From note-taking to task management, there seems to be a different app for every single thing. But what if there was one tool that could do it all? Imagine a digital workspace that's as flexible as your mind. A place where you can jot down ideas, collaborate with teams, and track your progress, all in one seamless environment. That's where Notion comes in. Introducing Notion. Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's a versatile workspace that adapts to your unique needs. It's like having a digital notebook, a project management tool, and a wiki all rolled into one. Key features and benefits. Databases. Organize your information into tables, lists, or boards, making it easy to visualize and manage your data. Pages. Create interconnected pages to structure your thoughts and ideas, from simple notes to complex projects. Templates. Start with pre-built templates for common use cases like daily planners, project roadmaps, or knowledge bases. Collaboration. Invite team members to collaborate on pages in real time, making it easy to work together on projects. Customization. Customize Notion to match your workflow and preferences with a variety of formatting options and integrations. Use cases. Personal productivity. Organize your tasks, set goals, and track your progress. Team collaboration. Create shared workspaces, assign tasks, and manage projects together. Knowledge management. Build a centralized knowledge base to document processes, share information, and streamline workflows. Content creation. Plan and organize your content, from blog posts to social media campaigns. Demo. Let's dive into a live demo to see Notion in action. We'll create a simple project management board, add tasks, assign due dates, and collaborate with a team member. Tips and tricks. Utilize databases. Explore different database types like tables, lists, and boards to find the best way to organize your information. Create custom properties. Add custom properties to your databases to track specific data points, such as status, priority, or due date. Leverage templates. Start with pre-built templates to save time and get started quickly. Integrate with other tools. Connect Notion to your favorite apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Trello to streamline your workflow. Notion is a powerful and versatile tool that can help you organize your life and work. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply looking for a better way to manage your tasks, Notion has something to offer. Ready to give Notion a try? Sign up for a free account today and start exploring the possibilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.